Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have started application of potentiometers, where we have seen like where the potentiometers are used for various purposes and like for calibrating many devices. In previous lecture, we also discussed the calibration of voltmeter. Now, continuing that lecture only, we'll see the calibration of ammeter. So here the potentiometer is used as for calibrating an ammeter to adjust the reading of ammeter or to standardize this ammeter for its actual use in the application of some another circuits, so that it can measure the true value of the current when it applied in some circuit. So here this diagram show the calibrating of ammeter. A standard resistance of suitable value, here you can see this, a standard resistance and of sufficient current carrying capacity is placed in series with the ammeter, and this ammeter is under calibration. We need to adjust the reading of this ammeter. The voltage across the standard resistance here is measured with the help of potentiometer. So for voltage measurement, we have put this potentiometer here. So the voltage across the standard resistor is measured with the help of potentiometer, and the current through this standard resistance can be computed. So we are having both like the voltage and the resistance, the current. So the standard resistance can be verified with this, because we know the value of standard resistance. We are having the value of standard resistance here. So according to that, we can compute the current I, which is equals to Vs by S, where Vs can be known, or it's a voltage across the standard resistor as indicated by the potentiometer, and S is the resistance of standard resistor course adjustment. So the value of this standard resistance is already known. Now, since the resistance of a standard resistor is accurately known and the voltage across the standard resistor is measured by the potentiometer, this method for calibrating an ammeter is very accurate. The purpose of ammeter is to measure the current. So for current measurement, we have taken our potentiometer and a standard resistance. These two devices are used for calibrating a ammeter, and this is the best method for calibrating an ammeter, and this one is very accurate using a potentiometer and a standard resistor. A calibration curve indicating the errors at various scale reading of the ammeter and may be plotted according to the errors, and the errors curve can be used for the adjustment of this ammeter. Like now, the computed value of this I and the indicating value of this ammeter should be matched. Whenever this happens, like the computed value and the indicated value by this ammeter is matched, or it's like equal, so our ammeter gets calibrated to its accurate value, and it is ready to use in the another applications also. So this is how we calibrate a ammeter using a potentiometer. In next lecture, we'll see the measurement of resistance using a potentiometer, and there are several applications of potentiometer. We'll see. Then we'll see the measurement of power also using a potentiometer, and this is all about the application of DC potentiometer. We'll come to the application of AC potentiometers, where we are having measurement of self inductance and extras. Till then, continue our lectures. If you are having any query, you can write me. Continue your lectures. Stay healthy, stay safe.